Welcome to Sydney, Australia. Sydney is the capital city of the state of New South Wales and is the most populous city in Australia. Located on Australia's east coast, the metropolis surrounds Sydney Harbour and extends about 80 kilometres from the Pacific Ocean in the east to the Blue Mountains in the west, and about 80 kilometres from Ku-ring-gai Chase National Park and the Hawkesbury River in the north and northwest to the Royal National Park and MacArthur in the south and southwest. Greater Sydney consists of 658 suburbs spread across 33 local government areas. Residents of the city are colloquially known as Sydneysiders. The estimated population was 5,557,233, which is about 66% of the state's population. The city's nicknames include the Emerald City and the Harbour City. Despite being one of the most expensive cities in the world, Sydney frequently ranks in the top 10 most livable cities. It is classified as an Alpha Plus city by the Globalization and World Cities Research Network, indicating its influence in the region and throughout the world. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to Bondi Beach. Bondi Beach is a beach and the surrounding suburb in Sydney, Australia. Bondi Beach is located 7 kilometres or 4 miles east of the Sydney Central Business District, in the local government area of Waverley Council, in the eastern suburbs. Bondi Beach is one of the most visited tourist sites in Australia and the location of two television series, Bondi Rescue and Bondi Vet. The name Bondi is derived from the Darawal language, spoken by the Aboriginal clans, who lived further from Sydney Harbour southwards to Shoalhaven. The word Bondi, also spelt Bundy, Bundy, and Bondi, originates from the word for a loud thud, such as the sound of waves breaking over rocks, but is also associated with nulla nulla or fighting sticks, which make a loud noise when they hit something. The first record of Bondi by European ancestry Australians was made between 1899 and 1903. An iconic Australian suburb, Bondi Beach is famous for its fantastic beaches and views. Once the domain of backpackers, hundreds of tourists from all over the world descend en masse to Bondi in December, ready to enjoy the Aussie summer. Bondi Beach boasts impressive ocean views all along the many restaurants and bars on Campbell Parade. Wake up early and take a dip in the surf before walking the scenic stretch from Bondi to Coogee Beach. Stroll through the Saturday organic markets in North Bondi or grab some fish and chips and relax in the grassy area opposite the beach. For more upscale cuisine, head down to Hall Street where a range of new eateries have recently opened. Just make sure to save enough energy for the buzzing nightlife Bondi Beach has to offer. Bondi Beach is renowned for its vibrant atmosphere with golden sands and lively crowds, though some note it feels touristy during peak times. Located conveniently near Sydney's city centre, it's easily accessible by public transport despite limited parking. Early visits are recommended to avoid crowds and enjoy the sunrise. Suitable for families, surfers, and social seekers, the beach boasts clean facilities and vigilant lifeguards. Reviewers advise swimming between flags and being cautious of strong currents and the sun. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Welcome to HobbyCo in Queen Victoria Building. HobbyCo, Australia's best hobby shop. Operating since 1935, HobbyCo has been providing unique hobbies, models, games, toys, and more to entertain and excite its customers. HobbyCo is no ordinary toy and hobby shop. HobbyCo have been providing unique toys, models, and games to entertain and excite their customers for over 80 years. With over 30,000 ever-changing products, HobbyCo offer a wide range of choice for everyone. Whether it is plastic kits for the hobbyists, jigsaw puzzles for the family, or Lego for the little ones, the breadth of range is considerable. Traditional products will also bring you the nostalgia of the past, such as Flying Scotsman train sets and real Valesco steam engines. HobbyCo also have the latest items that will keep you entertained for hours, such as quadcopters and radio-controlled cars. From pop culture collectibles to anime figures, games to die-cast model aircraft, Meccano and Lego, HobbyCo has it all. Have you been to Sydney, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Please do watch our other Australia playlist. Welcome to King's Comics. King's Comics is Australia's most well-known comic book and pop culture specialty store. Recognized internationally, King's Comics retails the widest range of comic books and graphic novels in Australia, as well as a comprehensive range of current collectible merchandise. We are a family-run business that started as mail order way before the days of the internet, with the first store opening in 1986. We have dedicated staff, some of which have been with us for many years and now have the next generation of family helping in running the store to continue our legacy for many more years to come. We remain to this day very customer-focused and service-oriented. We have been acknowledged as industry leaders by winning such international awards as the Will Eisner Spirit of Comics Retailer Award presented at Comic-Con International, San Diego in 1996. Thank you for watching. This award recognizes excellence in comics retailing and a commitment to the promotion of the comic book industry. We also have 5 International Diamond Best Practices in Comic Retailing Awards, and with Australia's very own Comic Industry Awards, the Ledger Awards, we have been awarded Retail Outlet of the Year 3 times. Over the years, King's has implemented other customer-focused initiatives, including running Australia's very first annual comic book convention called OSCON. This was the first convention of its kind to be held annually in Australia and was showcased each year in Sydney from 1992 to 1998. OSCON was successful in promoting comic books to the general public by partnering with major comic book publishers and other entertainment media companies, and the event furthered the growth in collectibles and trading cards. OSCON also brought to Australia a number of international comic book creators, giving Australian fans a rare opportunity to meet comic book legends. We've had stores across all points of Sydney, but our mainstay has always been the city store. After a number of years at both the Elizabeth and Pitt St. locations, as well as our temporary locations on George A.St., we have now settled at our brand new store on Clarence St. It's truly a pop culture entertainment destination focusing on comics, action figures, statues, apparel, toys, and collectibles from a wide range of genres. Please like, share, and subscribe. We carry superhero, crime and mystery, sci-fi and fantasy, comedy, drama and romance, TV and movie, horror and thrillers, manga, gaming-related, young adult, all ages and independent comic books and graphic novels. A great way to welcome both our longtime customers and introduce new customers to the now mainstream world of graphic storytelling.